Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 best dash cams for 2023. These cameras have been rigorously tested and have proven to be the best in terms of image quality, features, and overall performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, these dash cams will give you peace of mind while on the road. Before we dive into the top 5 best dash cams for 2023, we want to let you know that you can find the links to purchase these cameras in the description below. Alright, now that you know where to find them, let's begin our countdown of the top 5 dash cams of 2023. Number 5. Starting off at number 5, the ThinkWare X1000 is a great option for those looking for a high-performing and user-friendly dashcam. The bundle includes everything you need to record front and rear footage, and our testing found that the large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface make it easy to navigate. Both cameras have a resolution of 2560 x 1440 and a wide 156-degree field of view, resulting in dependably impressive footage. It needs to be hardwired for full functionality, but it's not difficult to install. The X1000 does not have built-in Wi-Fi for cloud backups, and GPS and radar detection require additional accessories. Number 4. The Vantrue E1 takes 4th place on our list. This dashcam has a 2.5K resolution and can record at 30 fps or Full HD at 60 fps, providing you with high-quality images both day and night. The optional polarizing filter can reduce dashboard reflections and improve image quality. The dashcam also has a magnetic mount that is easy to use, however, it doesn't have sideways adjustments, which may limit its flexibility. With a 160-degree angle, it provides a wide view of the road, and it also comes with GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote that allows you to wirelessly save footage. The tiny 1.54-inch screen is also helpful for installation, but for tweaking settings, the smartphone app is more convenient. Number 3. The Nexar Pro comes in at number 3 on our list. This dashcam is a dual-camera dashcam designed for extended use. It records both inside and outside of the car. The Nexar app allows for easy adjustments, incident reports, and free cloud storage. It also has break-in alerts and GPS data logging. The camera system takes up a significant amount of windshield space, but it's easy to install. The video quality is 1080p, which is good enough. It performs well in challenging lighting conditions. It's more expensive than some other dashcams, but it offers good protection and value for those who prioritize the security of their vehicle. Number 2. In second place is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, a tiny dashcam that can be easily mounted behind the rear view mirror. It records full HD video with HDR, has a reliable voice control feature, a decent smartphone app, and an easy magnetic mounting system. The camera is easy to set up with the use of the Garmin Drive smartphone app. The footage is sharp enough to pick out key details, even in different lighting and weather conditions. It has a 140-degree field of view, which provides a good view of the road ahead. It has a button for saving a portion of video, voice controls, and a sensor that automatically detects a collision. The only major feature missing is GPS, and the camera doesn't have a display. You can check the view and access recordings using the smartphone app. Number 1. And finally, coming in at the top spot, we have the Nexbase 622G, offering improved video quality and better stabilization. It includes geolocation services for pinpointing vehicles within a 3-meter radius, making it easy to locate your vehicle in case of an accident. Recording in 4K/30, it provides cinematic footage with crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. It has a built-in polarizing filter, digital image stabilization, and it's Alexa compatible. It also has a 3-inch rear touchscreen and a year's free subscription for Nexbase's Emergency SOS feature, which alerts emergency services in the event of a collision and sends your location. Overall, it's a top-performing dashcam with advanced features and excellent video quality. So there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams for 2023. Each camera on this list has its own unique set of features and capabilities that make it stand out. Whether you're looking for advanced safety features, real-time footage and data, or a small and discreet camera, one of these dash cams is sure to fit your needs. If you're looking to purchase one of the dash cams we featured in this video, you can find the links to buy them in the description below. We would really appreciate it if you could show your support by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment on this video. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our future videos as well.